Spring, summer, winter, and fall. No matter the season, oatmeal is king of the breakfast table. Beyond a hot bowl at breakfast, oats show up in pancakes, muffins, cookies, granola bars, and so much more. The fiber in the oats helps lower cholesterol and may lower your risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Oats are gluten-free, which makes them a good alternative for anybody with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or gluten intolerance. Even though oats are naturally gluten-free, it is recommended to use certified varieties to avoid cross-contamination of the oats during the harvesting, production, or packaging. There are rolled oats, instant or quick oats, and steel-cut oats. These tend to differ mainly in thickness. Getting your oats prepared in the right amount of time is important, but you also want to make sure you are buying the right type of oats for your taste buds. Rolled oats, which are whole grain oats that have been steamed and pressed with a roller to flatten them, take about 5 minutes to cook, while instant oats, which are basically very thinly pressed rolled oats, are ready as soon as you mix in hot water. With instant oatmeal, the packages often have loads of added sugar and salt and artificial coloring. Read the labels and see what you are getting. Let's see the nutrition value of both instant and rolled oats. This is a tablet format of showing the nutritional value of 1 cup serving. The calories in the rolled oats is 212, whereas the quick oats is 208. The carbs are 39 grams in rolled oats and 38 grams in quick oats. Protein you see as 7 grams in rolled oats and 8 grams in quick oats. The fat content is more or less same, 4 grams of each rolled oats and quick oats. Similarly, fiber and sugar content is also same in rolled oats and quick oats. So the difference in the nutritional data is not that much seen between rolled oats and quick oats. Do not worry about the fat content here, as they are neither the saturated fat, that is nothing but the bad type that can increase blood cholesterol levels. In terms of plant protein, the oats do not provide all of the essential amino acids. But as long as you include a variety of foods throughout the day, such as vegetables, other grains or beans, you should be able to meet your protein and amino acid needs. The main difference to be noted is that the glycemic index of old-fashioned oats is 55, while the glycemic index of instant oats is 83. So, instant or quick cooking oats push up your blood sugar, something of particular concern to diabetics and people with other blood sugar issues. Ways to make oatmeal healthier. Soak your oats. Soaking oats, like soaking other grains, reduces anti-nutrients and helps unlock the nutrients. Add oat and wheat flour. Some products have oat flour added, or you could add a little oat flour to regular oats yourself before cooking. Doing so will increase the fiber and protein content slightly. Wheat flour helps neutralize the anti-nutrients. The third one would be combine it with a little lean protein or healthy fat. Add a scoop of protein powder or some chopped nuts or ground flax seeds, which will lower the glycemic index and help you stay full longer. The last one would be add spices and fresh or dried fruit. Add healthy spices such as cinnamon and nutmeg. Before you go buying any sort of oats, remember that almost all of the time oats come in contact with wheat during processing. Therefore, you always want to look for wheat or gluten-free on the label. Regardless of the type, know that oats can and do go stale. They should be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. If you're not going to use up your oats within 4 months, freeze them in a sealed container.